FFmpeg is an open-source, free-to-use software that can handle many multimedia files formats. Audio, video, photo, streams, etc. FFmpeg is extremely powerful, but it can be pretty intimidating. Especially since per default, all commands are entered through a command line interface. However, do not let this simplistic interface fool you. There is a lot under the hood to blow your mind. Also, because FFmpeg is a command line interface-based software, it is an ideal tool to run all your multimedia automation and batch processing tasks. Once you understand a few basic principles, you can start using FFmpeg on your own and get creative after just a few minutes. This channel is entirely dedicated to FFmpeg and provide tons of easy tutorials that can assist you in your use of FFmpeg. Just give it a try. If you are looking for a free video processing software, no need to look any further. FFmpeg is a great choice.